To the final of the under 66 kilo category, Emomalī Šmailov of Israel goes up against Nuralī Emomalī of Tajikistan. It'll be Šmailov in the white judogi, Emomalī in blue. Let's take a look and see how they got to this point. Cheng, Nadiradze, Rakhmetkali, Tanaka and Lima were down by Šmailov. It was Zetz, Garcia, Ibek Ulu and Abuladze who were defeated by Emomalī on his way to the final. The referee in the middle for this one is Mathieu Bataille of France, isn't he?
Yeah, I think this is going to be a really interesting final, isn't it? Šmailov, of course, back and looking very, very strong today. And of course, Emomalī, Tajikistan, world ranked 19th, so higher world ranking, and he's on good form as well. Well, the crowd are absolutely up for it, and I've got to say that I think most of the crowd were shouting for Emomalī there from Tajikistan. He's in blue and Šmailov in white.
It's about 300-odd kilometers from the border of Tajikistan to Tashkent. So again, you know, it's doable.
So it's there, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, they're all. That's why. Good attacking stuff from Šmailov here. Sodi there, again, coming from different angles with the Israeli squad. They do the Osoto as well, from it as well, as they're going over. Now, something's going to happen here. This is started to really open up. He may just get, it does get Shishido for just the drop there, the avoidance. Emomalī, the concentration there in his face. Oh, he's going to score. Now then, he's turned it on Šmailov. Emomalī scores a Wazari. Keeps it up. And manages to turn it just in time, didn't he? And we could see it was very close to the previous one we saw. But again, starts from a standing position. Nice stuff there from Šmailov. Sasai there as well. It's not over this, and I just get the feeling that when they're hooked up, somebody's going to go. With Shido, and a second one up for Shmailov. Nearly dropped into the hole down there. Is he going to try and get that leg out? If he gets the leg out, he might just be able to turn the Osai Komi in here.
Yeah, you got the timing.
Yeah,
right
just
there.
needed to slow it down a little bit, just tighten it up.
Emomali was clever. He knew that Shmailov had to concentrate on the leg, and that level of concentration meant that he could just slip the top half. And then as Shmailov went to correct things, he found Emomali just slithering away from him.
This might just be it.
Yeah, well done.
It is.
Yeah, well, you know, there's no good arguing.
It works for both, didn't it? It worked for both.
Yeah.
He went, yeah, it is, and it worked for both. He was saying there that they pity-patted away from each other, but then it goes to both, and they both away from each other, but then it goes to both, and they both received a Shido. It wasn't the one Shido, it was the third one that he received, and Emomali then manages to pull off a win there in the final.